Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to pick up, well, not where we left off, but I want to show you something. I did a little bit of research on this, a while ago, and I want to show you this. So at first, I thought this was maybe Dutch, and then I started looking very carefully. This is just a little bit of encryption. So how about we do a video on some encryption and learn how to use the tools that we have and write a little program that can encrypt some things for us. Let's bring this back over here so we can see. So alright, if you have not watched the video on Unicode, go do that and come back, because we're going to build on those features. So alright, let's just jump into our encryption. So here's gonna be our sentence, and it's let's just copy it. I don't want to bore you with my, but I think it's I made a 50 on my test, and there's some reasons behind this. So alright, encrypt, just take in a text, and we want to take the code, and what we're basically going to do is just like we learned with our Unicode and our Unicode function and then our character function. So let's just remind ourselves for I in range 250. Anybody remember? 256 characters. Print car I. Close that out. Boom. That was all the characters. Just like that. And these are a bunch of different types of spaces. And there's capital, special symbols, really weird stuff, and so on. So alright, this is what we're going to do. We're going to take in our code. This is going to be real simple. Kind of cool and real simple. We're going to utilize list comprehension and the join method along with our list comprehension. So in code, this is going to be, so what this is going to take in text. This is going to be the amount of alter, because all we're going to do is we're going to take our Unicode number and we're going to shift it over. So if we had D, whatever code we give it, it's literally just going to move it down however many characters. So we're just going to add that to it and go through. So let's get to it. Alright, so ORD and if you don't get this, stop, go look at this Unicode video, then come back and catch where we are. So literally converting it to a Unicode, adding our code for I and text. And if you do not understand what list comprehension is, guess what? Got a video for that too. Alright, so now our new line, and if you don't know the join method in string, guess what? Got you covered there. So join, then we're going to make a new list comprehension, char, for I N E N C, close this out, and what I forgot my parentheses. So let's see, print, print new. Okay, so now we do encrypt listen, and let's just alter it by two characters. Let's see if I made any mistakes anywhere. Save. Still ran this. So here is my new encrypted string. So let's stop right here, and next video let's do decryption, and let's see if you could be one step ahead of me and have it ready, and anybody post at the bottom of this video, I'll give you a shout out. So cool. There we go. This is encryption with just using the skills that we have with ORD, Unicode, and then converting it back into a character. And these functions, these built-in functions, covered them with other videos. So if these are foreign, go watch these and come back and we'll cover it. Alright. Don't forget to click that like and subscribe button, and most important, that notification bell. And thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye guys.